Bhanu Mataram, Class 9. The swimmer who does not need her legs. We meet several people on our way to school or on our return from the place of work. School जिबा समय हो कि हमें आमर कर्म क्षेत्र रो रिटर्न करबा समय हो vendors वो hawkers street hawkers गुडिगो handicapped people हमें बहुत जन माने handicapped persons माने physically unable persons गुडिगो हमें मध्य देखि दो है ना. Do we anytime think about them? Any sympathy? अनेक समय कौन ना आम बहुत लोक संस्पर्श आसु जो मैंने कि स्वाभाविक भाव माने दे आर फिजिकली अनेबल्ड मुक छोटा ब्लाइंड डीफ डम से माने मध्य तांको आम को प्रकार कंपेशन जो कहूँ कंपेशनेट सिंपैथी देखा कथा से माने को आम देखु कि थिंक अबाउट ए चाइल्ड हु इज स्टक बाय polio. Discuss the following points in the page. आज जो मैं जोड़ा पढ़ियो the swimmer who does not need her legs. It means she is a physically handicapped child. It पचास think about a child who is struck by polio. Polio affected to a child. Does he or she swim across a pond of a river? पढ़ी पारिबो कि क्वेश्चन डज ही और सी स्विम अक्रॉस द पॉन्ड और ए रिवर हु इज स्टक बाय पोलियो हैविंग नो लेग्स. विल इट बी इजी और डिफिकल्ट फॉर हिम? इट इज टू डिफिकल्ट. विल इट बी इम्पॉसिबल फॉर हिम? इम्पॉसिबल वर्ड तुम किसी कहि परिबाने एठे तुम शो करबो हैंडिकैप्ड हेले मध्य पॉसिबिलिटी ही से देखई थेले. देखो इट जो इन द टॉपिक द स्विमर हु डज नॉट नीड हर लेग्स it is about a handicapped girl who did not need her legs who did not need her legs. Listen. Imagine swimming across a pool with your feet dragging you down. Now imagine having the courage to swim across the English Channel in a similar fashion. Unbelievable, isn't it? In spite of having legs made useless by polio, C.N. Janaki has become the first handicapped person to be the part of a successful team crossing the channel. We have to imagine here swimming across the pool with your feet dragging you down जोटा तो हमको तळगु टाणी देउथवा कथा हम पहुरुथबा से समय गोड़ दुटा हमको जेंति कि तळगु टाणी देउथबो drag means push तळगु हमें टाणी देउथबो मने करो. Now imagine having the courage to swim across the English Channel in the similar fashion. A general situation कथा कह गला एठी फर्स्ट वन टा आमे पहुरुतबा समय रे गोड़ दिटा तळगु टाणी दोथबो. सेकंड सिचुएशन कह गला से प्रकार सिचुएशन रागा तमे करेज रो सहित ब्रेवेरी जोटा कह करेज मींस ब्रेवेरी इरे कोनोसी माने फियरफुलनेस रहबो फियरलेसनेस जोटा थिबो एठे. Unbelievable, isn't it? Question tag is it, isn't it? In spite of having legs made useless by polio. Who? C.N. Janaki. In spite of having legs, गोड़ थिबा सत्वे मध्य तांको गोड़टा गोटे तार कौन से यूजेस ही रहिला नै बिकॉज इट वाज स्टक बाय affected by polio. C.N. Janaki has become the first handicapped person C.N. Janaki has become the first handicapped person to be part of a successful team crossing channel. Successful team. ये नहीं कि जैसे टीम जैसे मैंने ग्रुप रो सहित से जाइथिले ना ग्रुप रे से जाइथिले और handicapped person हिसाब से जाइथिले C.N. Janaki was the first handicapped person to be part of a successful team crossing the channel. It was 1987 that Janaki was struck by polio. Janaki was struck by polio केबे थिला in 1987. As a child, she got the idea of trying to swim the English Channel. As a child, she got the idea of trying to swim the English Channel. What about her idea? To swim the English Channel. So she conveyed this. This means to swim across the English Channel. He struck the idea. So she conveyed. Janaki convey means expose kariba, jane daba. So he conveyed this to the English Channel Swimming Association. How it convey kala? She conveyed to the English Channel Swimming Association for details. There is the willingness. She had much willingness. He had an idea, a notion to swim the English Channel. So she conveyed to the higher authority, English Channel Swimming Association for details, and the Swimming Association replied that two conditions have to be met before a swimmer allowed to make an attempt. Before a swimmer is allowed, swimmer को जो a attempt में, what was the attempt? To swim across the English Channel. To swim the English Channel. A attempt को मैंने fulfill करिबा पाए. To fulfill or to participate in the attempt, a swimmer has to be met two conditions. What are the two conditions? What were the two conditions? First, the swimmer should be able to spend at least 10 hours continuously in water. The swimmer should be able to spend at least 10 hours continuously in water. जने swimmer minimum of 10 hours से प्रकार कैपेबिलिटी बा एबिलिटी स्किल रहबा दरकार जे 10 hours पानी रे स्पेंड करिबा पई. To spend in water at minimum of at least 10 hours, first condition. And second one it कहल गण. Look, second one, the swimmer should be able to do marathon swimming. What is marathon? Here marathon means a long distance marathon swimming, बहुत दूर swim करिबा. The swimmer should be able to do marathon swimming, that is he or she should be able to swim the high seas for long hours at a stretch. At a stretch means continuously. It हम देखिले drag means drag, push hard, courage, brave or fearlessness, fashion, way, stock, affect, प्रभावित होगा, convey, expose or express करेबा, attempt गोटे, trial गोटे, marathon a long distance, at a stretch continuously. Okay. Second, what was the second condition? The second condition was the swimmer should be able to do marathon swimming. That is, he or she should be able to swim in the high seas for long hours at a stretch. Marathon swim. Second condition was marathon swimming. First condition. What was the first condition? The first condition was the swimmer should be able to spend 10 hours continuously in water. है ना, दीटा कंडीशन रखा है ना. Para 3. Janaki began training very hard in Bangalore to fulfill these conditions. Why did Janaki go to Bangalore for a hard training? Why? To fulfill these conditions. What are those conditions? First one is staying in water 10 hours, minimum of 10 hours. Second one is able to do marathon swimming. After almost 4 years of training, she said, I was able to spend 10 hours at a stretch in the swimming pool. After 4 years of training, Janaki said, Janaki was able to spend able to spend 10 hours at a stretch. So, our first condition thila English Channel Association ro. At a stretch in the swimming pool, continuously at a stretch means. An NIS coach. Here NIS means National Institute of Sports. NIS means National Institute of Sports. An NIS coach, Mr. Gopal, gave me a certificate. Who certified? The NIS coach, Mr. Gopal, certified, saying that he had seen me. Who had seen? Mr. Gopal had seen me means Janaki. Mr. Gopal had seen Janaki swim for 10 hours continuously. Third paragraph was about the first condition of the swimming association authorities. Okay. So who certified? An NIS coach, Mr. Gopal, certified Janaki to swim across the English Channel for 10 hours. Then, para 4. With the help of Timaya National Academy of Adventure, it is also an academy, Timaya National Academy of Adventure. No. Adventure means गोटे दुसाहसिक है. She went to the coastal town. Coastal means उपकूलवर्ती. से उपकूलवर्ती सहर कोड़ा मेल्प. कार साजे जाइथिले with the help of Timaya National Academy of Adventure, Janaki went to the coastal town of Melp. Melp उपकूलवर्ती सहर को से जाइथिले and began training in the Arabian Sea and Arab Sagar रे से ट्रेनिंग आरंभ करथिले. He started training, began training in the Arabian Sea. She spent 3 weeks there. Janaki spent 3 weeks in the Arabian Sea with a coach called Dinesh Subarna. First 2 coaches are here. First, an NIS coach certified that she and Janaki was able to spend 10 hours at a stretch in the water. Fourth one, second one, Dinesh Subarna trained Janaki in the Arabian Sea, which is in the coastal town of Mel. Janaki learned to spend long hours, marathon swimming, long hours in the sea by swimming a minimum of 20 kilometers a day. Long hours, minimum of 20 kilometers a day. Now, who is the coach? Dinesh Subarna. Okay. Fourth paragraph. Third paragraph was about the NIS coach Mr. Gopal certified. The first condition. Fourth paragraph was about the marathon swimming. Who was the coach? Dinesh Subarna. Para 5. Janaki then returned to Bangalore and sent her certificate to the Channel Swimming Association. 2 certificates. Mr. Gopal जो certificate certify करिथिले 10 hours of swimming. Next, marathon swimming certificate. Janaki then returned to Bangalore and sent her certificates to the Channel Swimming Association in England. When they gave her the permission to make the attempt, it was an attempt to swim across the English Channel. When the English Channel Associations gave Janaki, you have to swim across the English Channel, permission जो देते, she had to start collecting funds for the trip. जेतବେଳେ ତାଙ୍କ ଲକ୍ଷ୍ୟ ଦିଗରେ ସେ allowed ହେଇଗଲେ, when Janaki was allowed to swim across the English Channel, she started collecting the funds for the trip. The government, few private agencies, several friends contributed the money she needed for the attempt. ये attempt ପାଇଁ, ये trial ପାଇଁ से जहाँ किसी need करूथुले, ଯେତେବେଳେ ତାଙ୍କୁ when she was permitted to swim across the English Channel, ସେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଜାଣିଦେଲେ ସେ କିଛି government, few private agencies and several friends ମାନଙ୍କ ଠାରୁ କିଛି collect କରିଥିଲେ, and they contributed also, they ଦେଇଥିଲେ, contribute କରିବ, contribute means give. Janaki, para 6, Janaki and her parents left for England in the middle of 1992. When she reached Dover Beach and began practicing in the English Channel. Where? In the Dover. The Channel Swimming Association officials 1992 ଯେତେବେଳେ କି ତାଙ୍କର parents କୋଉଠି ଯାତ୍ରା କଲେ, journeying towards the England, and Janaki was practicing at Dover in the English Channel. And when she reached Dover, Janaki began practicing in the English Channel. The Channel Swimming Association officials were quite shocked. They were surprised to see. Why? Nevertheless, in their career, they had seen such a handicapped person, physically unable person, who swim across the English Channel. This was the first time in their experience. There means swimming associations, that a physically handicapped person was trying to swim the English Channel. The career bhitere, nevertheless in his career, as a coach, as a swimming association authorities, they had not seen such a physically unable or handicapped person who was trying to swim across the English Channel. So फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ रे हमें थीम कौन जान ले छे. फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ रे जान ले जे ना टीम क्रॉसिंग चैनल रे इट इज Janaki was personified, identified. Janaki desired to swim across the English Channel. Janaki was struck by polio. Janaki conveyed his desires to swim across the English Channel. The English Channel Swimming Association put two conditions to him: staying in water 10 hours continuously and doing marathon race. Then he went to Mr. Gopal, certified that he had Janaki had swim across, stay at the water 10 hours continuously, and Dinesh Subarna certified the marathon swimming. Then in 5th paragraph, for this attempt, when she was permitted to go to do the attempt, she collected from the money from government, few private agencies and friends for this attempt. And finally, for this physically handicapped person who was trying to swim across the English Channel. The Channel Swimming Association's officials were quite shocked. आगे किसी करवा नेक्स्ट हमरो 7 पैराग्राफ रो काली की पढ़िबा। थैंक यू।